Alright everyone, I'm going to bring a little product review to y'all today. I have here it's the Kentucky Tactical Supplies Tactical Flashlight. Let me do this right quick. You can see it has 700 lumens, telescopic zoom, has the SOS signal. It has an AD Smart chip, light, energy saving, was waterproof and explosion proof. That's what it says on the box here. Paid about $20 for this flashlight, and we're going to take a look at it right now. Get this tripod so it'll stay. So we have the box here. The box is pretty solid. Opens up and has some padding. Have the light, the charger, the battery charger. I'm going to switch this around so I can show it to y'all. You have the flashlight itself, and it's made of metal, and you can see it still works. I can actually, I'm not going to bang this against anything because I don't want to break anything. I'm not afraid of actually breaking the flashlight. I'm afraid of actually, if I slammed it against this counter, I'm actually more afraid of breaking the counter than I am the flashlight, because I can feel how solid the flashlight is in my hand. It has a telescopic zoom. You just pull out and push in like that. It has a belt clip on it right here. You see that? It has a lanyard. Pretty good. The way you cut it on is it has this push button activation in the back. It runs off of a special kind of battery. Whoops. Runs off a special kind of battery, and you can see even after that it still works. The batteries that it has, they look like AA, but they're not AA's. They're actually it is LC 18650 300 mAh 3.7 volt rechargeable batteries. You can get these online. Solid, where you can get them for about $11 online with a charger. And the flashlight itself comes with the battery charger, and you just put the battery in, and you see it has a little red light, which showing that it has some battery, still has some power to it. The way that the charger operates is they have this cord, and you plug that in to there, and you plug it into the wall, and it'll charge the batteries. The way you put the battery in is you have the positive end, negative end, just like with the regular AA. You put the positive end down, if I remember correctly. Yep, positive end down. And you screw the back on, and it works. And you have different settings. As you can see, you have bright, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. Now I'm going to take it outside, and I'm going to show y'all how good this flashlight works in the darkness. Alright, here's the test of the Kentucky Tactical Flashlight that I just showed to you. And you have different settings. First, there's the bright setting. And you see it lights things up really, really well. It lights things up really well. Bright setting is very bright. But then you have medium, which is really good. It lights things up good too. And then low even lights things up. Even though it's not as bright as you can see, it still lights things up really well to be able to see in the dark. But then they have a strobe feature. and I'm sure you see that strobe light. And then they have SOS.
Oh, I saw a light. I didn't know you were up.
Yeah, this is me. I'm just doing a test on it. And so anyway, this is the Kentucky Tactical flashlight. Works really, really well on it, on that. But then we're going to turn here, and you can even see that tree out there very, very vaguely. We're gonna come out that far, and you can't see anything on the screen right now, but when you telescopic zoom in, you can see that tree right there. And I'm probably a good 20 feet, 25 feet, possibly even 30 feet away from that tree where the light is shining right there. And y'all will actually see in the daylight how far I am from the camera at this point. And so if we turn the camera this way over to this other tree here, you can see how it lightens up. And so the telescopic zooming light really, really helps, and it does really good. This is a really, really good light. I'm going to actually zoom in on this tree once again and show you medium, then low, and then strobe, and then SOS. And so you see the Kentucky Tactical flashlight. Alright everyone, have two cameras here. I have this camera right here, and I have my Sony Handycam. This camera right here is my old IPTech camera, and I'm going to use this when I'm going out towards that tree over there. And what's right there? That's the tree that I shot last night. We're in the next day, and this is on the this is going to be two different angles of shot to show the distance on how far I am. Now I have the tripod set up exactly where that it was last night when I showed the tactical flashlight. Now I'm going to show the distance of actually how far that the tree is. You can see it out there from where it is now. And I'm going to give a count number of the steps because my shoe is I wear a pretty big shoe. So anyway, if I count the steps properly, then it'll lead up to, I'll know about how many feet that it'll be from here where the tripod is to the tree. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started on that. Alright. Alright. As I suspected, it's about 30 feet from the tripod camera. From the tripod camera up there. Let me zoom in. Come on, you can zoom in a little bit better. There you go. It may be a little bit blurry, but this is not actually the best camera that I'm using right here to hold it to for zooming shots. But it'll do. It's about 30 feet from the tripod camera up there to this tree right here where I shone the light last night. And you hear Jim out there barking in the background. And so
Anyway, it's very foggy out this morning, and so I'm going to head on back, get this video edited. And I may actually show what I got for my birthday presents. That's going to be in a different review. Hey, Jim. See, there he is right there. Hey, Jim. What you doing, Jim? Back up. Hit that one right there. Camera meet camera. Alright.